Orthopedic injuries and conditions can definitely affect a person's mental health. Depression is one in particular, can result from long-term musculoskeletal injuries. In this video, I discuss a military veteran's depression as the result of knee osteoarthritis. My name is Dr. David Geier, triple board certified orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and anti-aging and regenerative medicine expert. I help veterans by writing Nexus letters that argue that your orthopedic injuries are connected to your military training and service so you can get the compensation you deserve. At Barger78 commented very recently on my Veteran Nexus letter channel. I've asked about arthritis in my lower back and knees. Total knee replacement in my right knee 2015. Schedule for left knee replacement May 2025. Does it cause depression? I'm diagnosed with PTSD and chronic pain depression at 50%. Yes, I would argue that it very can. And this really applies even ignoring the disability process. I get so many patients in my regenerative orthopedic practice that have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, lower back arthritis issues, that it affects their job, it affects their exercise, it affects what they want to do in their personal life. And yes, over a period of time, that can lead to depression. There's no question that that can happen in military veterans too, especially when you're talking about a condition that is pervasive for a long period of time. Again, affecting personal life, affecting work life, and just happiness generally. So, and there are studies that can support it. Is there a biochemical link that arthritis somehow chemically causes depression? There's no studies that show that. And a lot of times the VA, the C&P examiners like to say there's no evidence of cause and effect, but there are definitely studies that show higher rates of depression in settings of chronic pain, which again, in the setting of knee arthritis would be a very, very straightforward argument to make. All right, if you're interested in learning more about the disability claims process, you can get a free copy of my ebook, The 8 Most Common Reasons the VA Denies Service Connection for Disability Claims and How You Can Beat Them. Just click the link in the description below the video, fill out your name, email address. It's delivered directly to you, completely free. Make sure to subscribe to this Veteran Nexus letter channel. Click the bell to be notified when I release a new video and when I start my Veteran Nexus letter live shows. Also, if you're already interested in a Nexus letter for your injury or your condition, orthopedic or medical condition, click that same link in the description below this video, scroll down. You can read more about working with me and working with my team. We try to make the process as simple as possible for you and as quick as possible for you. And I try really hard to write a Nexus letter that gives you the best chance of success in your claim. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you.